When the United States conducts precision strike operations, these weapons represent the most advanced military technology ever deployed, combining stealth, precision, and overwhelming firepower to dominate any battlefield. Let's begin. Stealth bombers, invisible death. B-2 Spirit, the Ghost Bomber, USA, 1997 present. The B-2 Spirit is the most expensive aircraft ever built at $2.1 billion per plane. Only 21 were produced. The flying wing design eliminates vertical surfaces, reducing radar cross-section to the size of a small bird. Special radar-absorbent materials make it virtually invisible to enemy air defenses. The bomber weighs 336,500 pounds, fully loaded, carrying 40,000 pounds of weapons. It can carry 16 B-83 nuclear bombs or 8,500-pound JDAM precision-guided bombs. Maximum range exceeds 6,000 miles without refueling. With aerial refueling, the B-2 can strike any target on Earth from its home base in Missouri. For General Electric F-118 engines provide 17,300 pounds of thrust, each buried deep inside the wing to hide infrared signatures. Cruising altitude reaches 50,000 feet at speeds up to 630 miles per hour. In 2017, two B-2s flew non-stop from Missouri to Libya, striking ISIS training camps. The 34-hour mission covered over 11,000 miles. Enemy forces never detected the bombers until weapons were already falling. Fifth-generation fighters, air dominance. F-35 Lightning II, the multi-role stealth fighter, USA, 2016 present. The F-35 Lightning II costs $80 million per aircraft with over 1,000 delivered worldwide. 3 variants serve different branches. The A variant operates from conventional runways. The B variant has short takeoff and vertical landing capability. The C variant operates from aircraft carriers. The radar cross-section remains smaller than a golf ball. The N/APG 81 AESA radar tracks multiple targets at 150-plus miles. 6 cameras create 360-degree coverage displayed on the pilot's helmet, allowing them to see through the aircraft. Internal weapons bays carry 2 AIM-120 missiles and 2 2,000-pound bombs. External pylons add 15,000 pounds when stealth is not required. The F-135 engine produces 43,000 pounds of thrust, providing Mach 1.6 top speed. Combat radius reaches 670 miles. The F-35 has conducted combat operations over Syria and against Iranian-backed forces, demonstrating precision strike capabilities. F-22 Raptor, the Air Superiority King, USA, 2005 present. The F-22 Raptor represents the ultimate air superiority fighter. Cost exceeded $150 million per aircraft. Only 187 were produced before production ended in 2011. The F-22 remains so advanced that export is prohibited by federal law. The stealth characteristics exceed even the F-35, with radar cross-section comparable to a marble. 2 Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines with thrust vectoring produce 35,000 pounds of thrust each. Top speed exceeds Mach 2.25. The F-22 can supercruise at Mach 1.8 without afterburners. 3 internal weapons bays carry 6 AIM-120 missiles and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. The 20mm cannon holds 480 rounds. Combat radius reaches 590 miles. Maximum range exceeds 1,840 miles. Single Raptors achieve kill ratios exceeding 100-to-1 against 4th-generation fighters. Enemy pilots never detect the F-22 before being shot down. Multirole strike fighters, the workhorses. F/A-18 Super Hornet carrier power projection, USA, 1999 present. The F/A-18 Super Hornet serves as the Navy's primary strike fighter, operating from aircraft carriers worldwide. 2 General Electric F-414 engines produce 22,000 pounds of thrust each. Top speed reaches Mach 1.8. Combat radius exceeds 500 miles. Maximum takeoff weight is 66,000 pounds, carrying 17,750 pounds of weapons on 11 external stations. Typical loadouts include AGM-154 JSOW glide bombs, AGM-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles, and AIM-120 missiles. The N/APG 79 AESA radar tracks multiple targets simultaneously. The Super Hornet can suppress enemy air defenses, strike ground targets, and defend itself in a single mission. Over 600 Super Hornets operate from U.S. carriers and allied nations. Combat operations span Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and Yemen, proving reliability and effectiveness. EA-18G Growler, the Electronic Warrior, USA 2009 present. The EA-18G Growler is the world's most advanced electronic warfare aircraft. Based on the F/18F two-seat Super Hornet, the Growler replaces weapons with electronic warfare systems that jam enemy radars, communications, and air defense networks. 5 external jamming pods provide coverage across multiple frequency bands. The ALQ-99 system disrupts enemy radars, making it impossible to track friendly aircraft. The AGM-88 harm missile homes on enemy radar emissions, destroying them. Enemy radar operators face a choice: turn off radars and remain blind, or activate radars and get destroyed. Either way, strike aircraft penetrate defenses. Approximately 160 Growlers serve in the U.S. Navy, conducting operations over Syria, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Enemy commanders report complete inability to track or engage American aircraft when Growlers are present. Precision strike missiles, standoff destruction. Tomahawk cruise missile, the Precision Striker, USA 1983 present. The Tomahawk cruise missile revolutionized precision strike warfare. It can be launched from ships and submarines hundreds of miles from targets. The missile flies at low altitude, following terrain to avoid detection. GPS and terrain matching guidance provide accuracy within 10 feet. The 1,000-pound warhead destroys hardened targets. The missile weighs 3,500 pounds. Maximum range exceeds 1,000 miles depending on variant. The missile can loiter over target areas, waiting for precise strike windows, and be retargeted in flight. Modern Tomahawks carry advanced seekers identifying specific buildings or vehicles. The Block 4 variant costs approximately $1.4 million per missile. Tomahawks opened Desert Storm in 1991, striking Iraqi air defenses. In 2017, 59 Tomahawks struck a Syrian airbase. Over 2,000 have been fired in combat operations since 1991, providing immediate response capability without risking pilots. Unmanned systems, persistent strike. MQ-9 Reaper, the Persistent Hunter, USA 2007 present. The MQ-9 Reaper transformed modern warfare by providing persistent surveillance and precision strike capability without risking pilots. The aircraft can loiter over target areas for over 24 hours. When engagement is authorized, the Reaper strikes immediately. Maximum takeoff weight is 10,500 pounds. The Honeywell TPE-331 turboprop provides 900 horsepower. Cruising speed reaches 230 miles per hour at altitudes up to 50,000 feet. Maximum endurance exceeds 27 hours. 4 external hardpoints carry 3,750 pounds of weapons, including 4 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and 2 500-pound guided bombs. Satellite data links allow operators to control Reapers from Nevada while the aircraft operates over Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, Yemen, Somalia, and Libya. Over 300 Reapers operate worldwide, conducting thousands of precision strikes. Emerging technology, future of warfare. Lucas, low-cost unmanned combat attack system, USA 2024 present. Lucas represents the future of warfare with expendable loitering munitions. These are kamikaze drones that search for targets, then destroy themselves and the target. Each drone costs approximately $50,000, making them affordable to use in large numbers. The drone weighs 60 pounds, carrying a 10-pound warhead. Electric motors provide nearly silent operation. Endurance reaches 90 minutes. The operator uses a tablet to control the drone. Artificial intelligence assists in target identification. Multiple drones can operate as swarms, overwhelming enemy defenses. The warhead uses shape charge technology, penetrating light armor and fortifications. GPS guidance provides accuracy within 3 feet. Lucas provides infantry units with organic precision strike capability. Now squad leaders can neutralize threats directly. The low cost allows large inventories with hundreds deployed in major operations. Mark 84 2,000 pounds bomb. The Penetrator, USA 1960s present. The Mark 84 general-purpose bomb weighs 2,000 pounds with 945 pounds of high explosive. It remains the standard heavy bomb for destroying hardened targets. The JDAM kit adds GPS and inertial guidance for all-weather accuracy within 16 feet. The bomb penetrates deep underground before detonating, destroying bunkers, tunnels, and underground facilities. The blast creates a crater 50 feet wide and 30 feet deep. B-2 bombers carry 16 Mark 84 dams in internal bays. F-15E Strike Eagles carry 6 on external pylons. F-35s carry 2 in internal bays when stealth is required. Laser-guided and GPS-guided variants provide different capabilities. The Mark 84 has destroyed thousands of high-value targets in every conflict since Vietnam. Conclusion: these 10 weapons represent the most advanced military arsenal ever assembled, proving that modern warfare is won through technology, precision, and the ability to strike any target anywhere on Earth with overwhelming force.